Assalamu alaikum everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today in this video, I will show you how to purchase Hady, or some of you know it as Qurbani, which is required for the performance of the Hajj. This is done by the Saudi government. It is going to be completed on the 10th of Dhul Hijjah. First step is to come to this website, adahi.org. After coming to the website, click to buy. You can see here by ritual. This is Hady, and for Hajj, we will select Hady. Here, you will choose one if it's just one person, and if it's two people or more, you can choose multiple. So it's depending on family, whether it's a kid or a grown-up. Every person in your family have to do the sacrifice. In this case, it's for me, so I will choose one. You don't have to worry about the udiyah, fidya, or anything else. Then click Add to Order. Here it's showing the order details. For one sheep, it costs 720 Saudi Riyal, which is 192 US dollars and 172 euros. Now go to payment. Here I will put my name, and here I will put the email address. Here, mobile number. Make sure first you choose the country of your phone by clicking the flag, because on that day they will send you text message to confirm that they have done the sacrifice. If you don't put the right number, you can get the message. So it's very important to put the right number. Then put your phone number and confirm the phone number. If you have, you can choose delegator here. You need to put the name, phone number, email address, and number of people. Now it's for me only, so I don't need that. Here I'm going to pay by MasterCard or Visa. Need to put the name. Then the card number, expiry date, and security code. After that, we need to click on that check mark and then hit proceed. Once you do that, it's going to give you confirmation. On the day of 10th of Dhul Hijjah, after we leave Arafah and go spend the night in Muzdalifah, the next day, the day of Eid, they will do the sacrifice on your behalf. After that, they will send you an automatic text message indicating that they did the slaughter for you. This is the system we used last year, and you all need to go through the same process using the website adhi.org. It's very easy and very quick service. Don't hesitate to let us know if you have any questions here. Thank you.